Good morning, my friends. Today, we have to clean up the spray booth from yesterday. You know what's funny? It's always do as I say, not as I do. You always tell your employees before you leave, make sure you clean up your mess. Give yourself that extra 15 minutes, 20 minutes at the end of the day, clean up your mess so you don't come in and look at the stuff in the spray booth, which I hate doing. Spray booth is for spraying, not for working in. I just used it yesterday because it literally was the cleanest, brightest place available to do the stripes on the Camaro. Anywho, today we're gonna be painting fenders on, what the heck is it? It has to be a late 40s Chevy truck, I believe. Anyways, we'll spray those and just go through our daily day of stuff that has to get done. Here we go. This is funny. I'm in the middle of getting ready to clear coat the fenders. Well, I started clear coating them. I was mixing the clear coat and then I spilt it. And it was the last of my catalyst that I had here. And Derek was like going, I can't believe you're using glass red paint on these fenders because it's a local customer who we're just trying to help out. He's a real nice guy and it wasn't a $high job. But I'm like, if I'm gonna do something, we do it right and I don't care what it is. But you guys, if you knew how much just this catalyst cost, it is insane. Our hardener, catalyst hardener. It's, oh my God. So let's get back to clearing. I was able to get one good dryish tack coat on there with the paint before, you know, because I saved some of it. So let's go see if we get two good coats on here. That's one. I put this on pretty dry, the first coat, because I don't want it to run all over the place. I'm gonna let it sit up for about 30 minutes. I want it to kind of really set up and then we'll put another coat on there. And next we're gonna be on the 68 Camaro. We're gonna try to wrap up all the paint work on this thing and get it to final assembly. As you can see here, I have a lot of small imperfections that I wanna work out. When we put the stripe on, we had some catastrophic stuff go on. So you see that? How it's like a frayed edge. Like, where is it? Can't even see my fingers in there. This was like literally catastrophic. We had purchased a kit. Well, our customer provided a kit for us to put the graphics on. It gave us a little test sample. It said, put this on, do a spray out, peel it off, make sure it works. And I never do that. I did it on this one, it worked fine. We did the whole car, got it all graphicked up, and then went to peel the tape off and every edge was like just all frayed and it was just catastrophic. And so we had to go back, or I had to go back in and try to airbrush all the areas. And now we're kind of on the final stretch. So I'm just taking one piece at a time and we're gonna just get these things wrapped up and cleared, which will be probably our next video. I was gonna do it all at the same time as I was doing these fenders, but I just kind of want to get those done, get them cleared, get them out. I don't want to have any overspray in the area where I'm going to be doing the 68 Camaro stuff because it's a really special car. It's looking really nice. That's it. What did I do? So I went too far as usual on these fenders. I should have just sprayed them and sent them out the door. I put it on, the paint on dry like I showed you. So I want to sand it down and buff it. It kind of sucks because there's really like no dirt or debris, just like two or little flakes here or there. And they should go out the way they are. Like I said before, it's not a high dollar job, but I can't let anything go unless it's perfect. So I'm gonna sand, wet sand and buff this, which you've seen us do a million times in our other videos. I'm gonna end the video here. So if you wanna see the finished fenders, we'll put them on the next video where we're working on the 68 Camaro so you can see what they look like before they go out the door. Thank you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Later.